TikTok's got 3 days left. April 5th, or it's banned in the US. President Trump's teasing a deal from Air Force One, and tomorrow's White House meeting could seal its fate. Will it survive? Let's unpack this now. Hey tech fam, welcome to our channel. It's TikTok's future is trending hard. 170 million US users are on edge. With a ban looming this Saturday unless it's sold, Trump is dropping hints, and the White House is scrambling. Today, we're diving into the chaos. Deal or doom? Let's roll. Here's the scoop. TikTok's Chinese owner ByteDance has until April 5th to sell to a non-Chinese buyer or it's lights out, as per a 2024 law upheld by the Supreme Court. Reuters says Trump aboard Air Force One Sunday hinted a deal's close, saying, "We've got lots of buyers, tremendous interest. X posts are buzzing. Save TikTok versus ban it as national security fears clash with its 170 million fans." Tomorrow, the White House meets to grill potential buyers like Oracle, Blackstone, and a wild card, Amazon's last-minute bid today. Trump's pushing hard. Reuters quotes him saying, "I would like TikTok to stay alive, but China's got to greenlight it," and ByteDance isn't budging yet. Vice President JD Vance expects a framework by Saturday. 20 to 30 billion deals are on the table. TikTok. Why is this huge? TikTok's a cultural juggernaut. Half of America's hooked. A ban kills jobs, creators, and ad bucks. Forbes pegs its US value at $50 billion. Trump's flip-flopped once anti-TikTok. Now he credits it for his 2024 youth vote win. Ex-users say he's playing dealmaker. But if no sale happens, app stores yank it Sunday. Poof, gone. China could nix it too. Washington Post says Beijing's slow rolling. Tech policies on edge. Will this reshape US-China digital wars? Saturday's the line in the sand. Deal or ban? What's your bet? Drop it in the comments.